Gotta You try your best, but it's not quite there.
We got Mike on the mic, we wreck the scene. Got Lulz back in the track, war machine causing havoc and chaos. Here come to try and stop it when you see just who you're messing with. These boys are reppin' 2010. We got Glaze on the track to get this party started. The living true story mix, and he's gonna put his heart in to what he's making. So step back, we about to share.
You try your best, but it's not quite there.
Yeah, Carrot Top, go beyond the garden and be the queen you know that you're destined to be. You gotta follow your heart, now that's a start to be serene and glowing and showing the world you're some pony that people should know it. You gotta beat the heat, these haters coming hard, ready to break down your armies and go shatter your walls. But you know inside you're not a typical girl, you're gonna show us, let your story unfurl.
You try your best, but it's not quite there. You kick a hoof and say it's just not fair. A simple man living simple dreams, a rumor that's not quite as it seems.
You're gonna rattle, shake and bring the heat. You show the haters when you sweep them right off their feet. You're gonna cast out your light, cover them in your glow. The world is now your garden, give them love to grow. Your mother nature, the hate you nailed you on the cross. It's all lost to me, the cost to be a beacon in the dark. You see, is your life, but you know inside, well there you're blind. They're never ever gonna manage to put out your light. So Carrot Top, spread your wings and take to the sky. You're gonna rise in time to hurt you, but you never die. Like a phoenix rise again when they strike you down. You change the ground, turn all the worlds upside down. The second coming has begun, the deed is done. The haters looking at you shaking cause they're all about to run. But then you hold out your hook and show them gentle smiles. It's worthwhile, they feel the hatred, leave you banished the vile.
You try your best, but it's not quite there. You kick a hoof and say it's just not fair. A simple man living simple dreams, a rumor that's not quite as it seems.
6 months have passed and every pony knows your name. They know that name and they all know the claims about her. Carrot Top ain't a normal filly at all. She's a star in the sky and it's why the other pony's gonna try to drag her down. But you know you gotta try and go to stand your ground, cause if you don't, the world will crumble right at your feet. Now go beyond your garden, girl, and try to beat the heat.
Go beyond this, you're a elixir, time to force. Keep your friends close, that would drive you to the cosmos and describe you. Go beyond this, you're a elixir, time to force. Keep your friends close, that would drive you to the cosmos and describe you. Brighter than tonight sunset, can't mistake your silhouette. Not a sound, no voice nearby, your main illuminates this gloomy sky.
The other ponies come and try to take you, but your friends are by your side, they are what make you. So you stand up tall and you just give in. You never think about yourself, you're selfless woman within. And then they tie you up and they set you ablaze through smoke and haze. You only see the brighter days are coming. So even though you got it still in their hearts, and they'll always have a piece of you, you left them your garden.
Go beyond this, you're a elixir, time to force. Keep your friends close, that will drive you to the cosmos and describe you. Go beyond this, you're a elixir, time to force. Keep your friends close, that will drive you to the cosmos and describe you.